most important question of matrix. Let us see the question. Question is if A equal to matrix alpha 2 2 alpha and determinant of AQ equal to 125, then find the alpha value. So for this type of question, first to find determinant of A equal to what? That is cube root of 125. This is 5. And now determinant of A is what from here? So this is 2 by 2. So alpha s square minus 4 equal to 5. So alpha square equal to 9. So alpha equal to plus minus 3. C is the correct answer. Let us see the question. If A equal to cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta, then what is A cube is equal to? So for this type of question, simple technique is what? Here A to the power 3. So multiply every theta to the 3. So correct answer is what? Cos 3 theta, sin 3 theta, minus sin 3 theta and cos 3 theta. So for this type of question we can do very easily. So this is what correct answer is A. Let us see the question. Question is what is the order of XYZ into HG, HBF, GFC into XYZ. For this type of question, what is the simple technique? First to see what is the order of this. So this order was first row 3 column 1 into 3. What is order of this matrix? 3 by 3, right? And what is the order of this? So this order is what? That is the 3 row and first column 3 into first. So when we multiply this, so product order will be what? That is 1 into 3. Okay. And now when we multiply this and this, then the order will be what? This is 1 into 1. So our correct answer is what? 1 by 1. B is the correct answer. Let us see the question. Question is if A equal to 0, 1, 1, 0, then the value of A to the power 4. For this type of question, first you find A square. That is matrix 0, 1, 1, 0 multiply 0, 1 and 1, 0. So we know this is first row, first column. It will be what? 1. First row, second column, that is what? 0. Second row, first column, that is also 0. Second row, second column, 1. So this is what? Identity matrix. So when we will find A4, we will get same. That is 1, 0 and 0, 1. So this is what? Identity matrix is the correct answer. Let us see the question. What is integration of x to the power e minus 1 plus e to the power x minus 1 divided by x to the e plus ex? For this type of question, very simple technique is what you see. Derivative of denoted what? If we go derivative of XE, so this is e into x to the power e minus 1 plus e. So when we will multiply this number by e, we will get derivative of it. So just divide and multiply first. So this is 1 by e integration. So this is what? Ex to the power e minus 1. When we multiply this number by e, we will get only e to the power x. And then this is what? Xe plus e to the power x dx. Now we know that is this is 1y. And we know if derivative of any, if denominator derivative is numerator, then direct answer is log of denominator. So derivative of this is what? E into x to the power e minus 1 plus e. So our right answer is log x to the power e plus ex plus c. And this is what? This is the D option. So this is correct answer. Let us see the question. What is maximum value of the function f of x equal to 4 sin square x plus 1? For this type of question, there are so many methods. But very simple technique is what? You know value of sin x minus 1 to 1. So maximum value of sin x is what? 1. So we can find our answer directly 4 into 1 square plus 1. That is 4 plus 1, 5. So our correct answer is what? 5. So we can solve this type of question by this simple technique. Let's see the question. Question is, what are the degree and order respectively of differential equation y equal to x into dy by dx whole square plus dx by dy whole square. For this type of question, first to simplify the given differential equation. So this is y equal to x into dy by dx whole square. This is dx by dy, we can write 1 upon dy by dx whole square. So here nothing, that is 1, here also 1. So we take LCM, then cross multiply, we will get y into dy by dx whole square equal to x into dy by dx to the power 4 plus 1. Now we know order means highest derivative, says highest derivative is only 1, and degree means power of highest derivative, that is maximum 4. So order 1, degree 4. So my question is degree and order. First degree, then order. So 4, 1 is the correct answer. D is right answer. Let us see the question. A question is given to 3 students A, B, C, whose chances of solving it are half 1 by 3 and 1 by 4 respectively. What is the probability that the question will be solved? So for this type of question, simple technique is what? Probability that question will be solved. So total probability minus not solved by anyone, that is 1 minus half into 1 minus 3 into 1 minus 4. When we solve this number, 1 minus, this is what? Half, this is what? 2 by 3, this is what? 3 by 4. So this cancel, we will get 1 minus 1 by 4, 3 by 4. So our correct answer is what? C option, 3 by 4. See the question. A committee of 2 persons is constituted from 2 men and 2 women. What is the probability that the committee will have only women? So for this type of question, simple technique is what? Probability that only women equal to what? Total is 2 men and 2 women, that is total 4. And we need committee will have only women. So women how much? 2. So we want 2C2, this is favorable. And total is 4, that is 4C2. So we can solve this question very easily. This is 2 factorial and 0. In the same way 4 factorial, 2 factorial and 2. So we can write this and this cancel. So this is what? This is 2 factorial into 2 factorial and 2 into 2 divided by what? 4 into 3 into 2. So this is cancel, this is cancel. So our correct answer is what? 1 by 6, right answer. Probability. Let us see. For 2 dependent events A and B, it is given that probability of A 0.2, probability of B 0.5. If A is a subset of B, then value of conditional probability A by B and B by A are. So we know probability of A by B equal to probability of A intersection B by probability of B. So what is A intersection B? Because A is a subset of B. So total A in B. So intersection will be A. So probability is what? 0.2. So this is 0.2 and probability B 0.5. So here answer is 2 by 5. Now the second probability of B by A. So again format probability of B intersection A by A. So probability of B intersection again the same, that is A. So this is 0.2 and A is also 0.2. So here correct answer is 1. So our right answer is 2 by 5 and 1. So B is the correct answer. Let us see the question. A point is chosen at random inside a circle. So what is the probability that point is closer to the center of the circle than to its boundary? So you know in a circle we are taking point inside the circle. So probability of this event is what? Favorable by total. So we know total is what? That is the distance between the center to boundary is what? R. So area total is pi r square. So this is the total. Now we need favorable very close to the center. So r will be decreased. So if we will take r by 2, then this is what? R square by 4. So pi r square by 4. If we will take r by 3, pi r square by 9. So it is not given. So our correct answer is 1 by 4. How? So we will take here r is what? R by 2 square. So we will get pi r square by 4 and divided by pi r square. So this is cancel out. We will get 1 by 4. So our correct answer B option is right answer.